This is K. Vijayalakshmi from the first B.Ed Physical Science, St. Christopher College of Education. Today we will be seeing about the thermal properties of matter. Before going into the topic, let us see what is thermal properties. The next slide is Boyle's law. Boyle's law is when the gas is kept at the constant temperature, the pressure of the gas is inversely proportional to the volume. So it was discovered by Robert Boyle. So it is called as Boyle's law. Next slide. Now let us move on to the Charles law. When the gas is kept at a constant pressure, the volume of the gas is directly proportional to the absolute temperature. It was discovered by Charles. So it is called as Charles law. The next slide is ideal gas law. The ideal gas law states that for a given amount of gas, the pressure of the gas is directly proportional to its absolute temperature and inversely proportional to its volume. So next one is heat capacity. We can define heat capacity as the amount of heat energy required to rise the temperature of the given body from T temperature to T plus delta T temperature. So, specific heat capacity of substance is defined as the amount of heat energy required to rise the temperature of 1 kg of the substance by 1 Kelvin. Next slide. The thermal expansion of solids, liquids and gases. The thermal expansion is tendency of matter to change in a shape, area and volume due to change in the temperature. All three states of matter like solid, liquid and gas expand when heated. When a solid is heated, its atoms vibrate with higher amplitude about their fixed points. The relative change in the size of solids is very small. Next slide. All matter exists normally in the three states like solids, liquids and gases. Matter can be changed from one state to another state either by heating or cooling. The examples are melting, solid to liquid, and next one is evaporation, liquid to gas, and sublimation, solid to gas. And another one is freezing, liquid to solid. The next one is condensation, gas to liquid. The next slide is calorimetry. Calorimetry means the measurement of the amount of heat released or absorbed by the thermodynamic system during the heating process. When a body at a higher temperature is brought in a contact with another body at a lower temperature, the heat lost by the hot body that is equal to that heat gained by the cold body. No heat is allowed to escape to the surroundings. The next slide is heat transfer. So heat transfer is the process by which heat flows from a region of higher temperature to a region of lower temperature by conduction, convection and radiation. Next slide is Newton's law of cooling. Newton's law of cooling states that the rate of loss of heat of the object is directly proportional to the difference in the temperature between the object and its surroundings. So today we have seen about that thermal properties of matter. Thank you students.